On September 4, 1905, Curt Muller, the owner of a laundry business, compelled a female worker of his to work over 10 hours in one day. This conflicted with an existing Oregon law that prohibited women from working more than 10 hours in a workday. Muller was found guilty and fined $10 in a local court. Muller appealed the decision to the Oregon Supreme Court, arguing that the decision violated his right to contract freely as protected by the 14th Amendment. Muller's attorney, William Fenton, also argued that as citizens, female workers were permitted the same rights and freedoms as other citizens. This position was shared by many feminists of the time who believed that one gender shouldn't receive any special privileges over the other.
Attorney Louis DeBrandy was chosen to write the defense brief for the case. Brandy used physiological science to argue that women were supposedly physically weaker than men, and therefore deserved more legal protection from the government. He also argued that overworking female workers would reduce their childbearing capacity as well as their service in the home, which would in turn hurt the future of families in the U.S. In the end, the Oregon Supreme Court affirmed the decision of the local court, agreeing that because of women's physiological differences from men, they should be protected from overwork. The aftermath of the Muller versus Oregon case brought many to take sides over who was right or wrong in the court case. While some wanted women to have the freedom and justice similar to how men did back in that era, others, including women, believed that having regulated laws for labor better protected their rights and freedom in other ways by being able to know what they can and can't do. Today's society shows that men and women have the capacity to work equally well with the same hours in many workplaces, and laws such as the Equal Pay Act in California back this up very well. However, many still question the differing effects of court cases such as these and how far hours compared to men and women should be regulated.